Hi, I'm Lexi. Let's learn 10 greeting idioms and phrases to sound natural in English. Number 1. How's everything going with you? It means a friendly, slightly more detailed way of asking, how are you? Example, hi Tom, how's everything going with you? Number 2. Nice to see you again. It means a warm way to greet someone you haven't seen for a while. Example, it's really nice to see you again after so many years. Number 3. Long time no see. It means a casual way of greeting someone you haven't seen in a long time. Example, long time no see, where have you been? Number 4, what's up? It means a very casual way of saying, how are you? Example, hey, what's up? You looking busy? Number 5, good to see you. It means a warm, friendly greeting showing pleasure at meeting again. Example, good to see you. How's work treating you? Number 6, nice to meet you. It means a polite greeting when you meet someone for the first time. Example, nice to meet you, I'm Lexi. Number 7, how's it going? It means a casual way of asking, how are you? Example, how's it going? You look tired. Number 8, good to have you here. It means a welcoming greeting when someone arrives or joins a group. Example, good to have you here. We've been waiting to hear your ideas. Number 9, what's new? It means a friendly greeting asking if anything interesting has happened lately. Example, what's new? Still working at the same company? Number 10, glad to have you back. It means a warm greeting when someone returns after being away. Example, glad to have you back, we missed you at the office. Thanks for watching, everyone. Today we learned 10 useful greeting idioms and phrases. Tune in tomorrow for our next lesson on goodbye idioms and phrases. Subscribe to Lexicon Lane to learn more.